Oh, hey guys, this is Super Mario. This is Super Mario 8609 here today, and today I'm playing Flappy Crush. It's like Flappy Bird. Wait, well, sorry for the interruption. So I'm going to do. How about normal mode? Now let's start. Come on, get crushed. Crushing you guys. Come on, get crushed. Crush. And take a crush. Woo! Man, I like this game. And this is hot. Alright, Lockdown Bird. You'll see what will happen with the Lockdown Bird. Well, if you miss a bird, then it's all over. Ooh, Acid Rain Bird. Ooh, that's hot. I like it. Okay. So, ooh, another Acid Rain Bird. Okay. If I get another Acid Rain Bird, that means it's Acid Rain time. Oh, wow. This can even crush bones. Just get crush that one. Crush. The Flappy Crush is so awesome. Ooh, I crushed a lot of birds. I'm just so good at this game. If you do not know what Flappy Crush is, well, now you know what it is. Because I'm playing it. Well, I started playing Flappy Crush last year because I found it on my iPhone. Because on YouTube Gaming on my iPhone, it would not let me make videos. I don't know why it did that. Maybe it's because you need a verification to buy apps, which sucks. That's why I do not like iPhones no more. They're just so smelly. Oh! Fire! Those birds are homework. Homework is getting burned. Alright, 22 fire kills. And I just burned some bones. You see those black bones over there? Those are the bones I burn. Those are the birds I used with the Inferno. Now I'm using Acid Rain, which is so awesome. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay. This is like Monferno here. Ooh, this is hot. Oh, okay. I just need only one more Lockdown Bird. And then you'll see what will happen with the Lockdown Bird. Ooh, another Acid Rain. Alright. Killed that one. Every power-up bird is worth 5 points. Alright. Crush. Crush that bird. Crush him into pieces. You get crushed. How about you get crushed? Crush that guy. Crush. I'm so good at a Flappy Crush. Ooh, okay. And you can play the original Flappy Bird game on here. Alright. But I like Flappy Crush better. Oh no! I miss. I was just about to use my lockdown. So, we'll have to try that again. 3 birds. Because every bird you get, that's bone bucks. Wow. This mode is easy. Boom. Next I'll show you what extreme mode is on this game. I unlocked extreme mode already. So yeah. Besides, I like this emblem on my hat. It just looks like I'm Super Mario right now. Let's just pretend these guys are Goombas. Up next, I'm going to use the fly. Up next, I'm going to crush flies because I do not like flies at all. They're nasty, and they can be harassing. Oh wow! Just keep crushing. Ooh, okay, burn these guys now. I finally get to burn these birds. Take that. Ooh, crush your bird. Rest in peace, birds. You don't need to go. You do not have to go to the next level. Besides, I wonder when Flappy Crush was made anyway. I do not know. Maybe in 2015 or something like that, or 14 or 2013 or 2012 or 11 or 2010 or 9 or 8 or 7 or 6 or 5 or 4 or 7 or 8 or 5 7 6. I think it was made like 2014. Okay. Catch the bird. Keep on crushing these guys. It'll just only make things better. Here comes birds. When you see those birds, you have to crush them out. I'm going to take out these birds and have the pipe with the spikes on them. So that'll make things easier. I like these because you know why? It just keeps me cool. I only got one lockdown bird. So, okay, there's another one. Alright. Yeah, crush that one. Go away, guys. Go away. Go away. Okay. I did not mean to say go away. I meant to say go away to the birds. So, yeah. So, anyways. Okay, burn these birds. That's homework game burnt. Burning homework. This homework needs to be burnt. Smash him. Smash these birds. Alright, this is the lockdown. We'll see what will happen. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, wow. Those birds just got taken out. Alright. So, I could just get these birds. Okay. Alright. Just keep on crushing these birds until they get crushed. So yeah, just keep on crushing. Keep on crushing. Keep on crushing. Crush. Oh! Acid rain! Oh wow. It's like it's like a natural disaster here. Alright, 31 acid rain kills. I'm liking this game. Alright. Oh wow, I'm at the thousands. Really? Am I actually at the thousands? Wow, I'm so impressed. Alright. Just. You ad, get off of me. Well, some random ad, it just came up on my phone, which is actually mean? Dang it, now I lost track. Oh, wait. I didn't lost track because that's how much birds I crushed. Oh no! It did not let me crush any birds. Alright. Oh no. Really? Why do I have to see an ad? Thanks. Oh no, I do not want to play this. No. Alright. Well, going to get some this. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and bye. So this is Super Mario 8609 signing off.